Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Infiniti G35. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 118,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include power moonroof, navigation system, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.